Hello and welcome to the Siam Center Law Group podcast. Today we're diving into an issue that many separated parents in Thailand often ask. How much can you claim for child support? And what factors does the court actually look at when making its decision? Let's start with the basics. According to the Thai Civil and Commercial Code, Sections 1598/38 and 1598/40, there is no fixed amount stated in law for monthly child support payments. However, the law clearly says child support must be paid monthly. You can't just sue for a lump sum like 1 million, 5 million, or 10 million baht unless there are exceptional circumstances. We'll go into those exceptions in another episode. So how much does a parent have to pay each month? The short answer is, it depends, and the court has discretion to decide the amount. In practice, Thai courts look at four key criteria drawn from Supreme Court decisions and legal opinions from respected scholars like Professor Prasab Sukhbundek and Professor Chachai Akarvibun, both experts in Thai family law. The four main factors the court considers when determining child support: the financial status and ability of the paying parent. If the parent has a good income, assets, or high social status, the court may require them to pay more. The financial capacity of the custodial parent. If the parent taking care of the child has some financial ability, the court may reduce the burden on the other parent. The child's ability to support themselves. Younger children, under 15, usually can't earn income, so they'll require more support. But if the child is 16 to 18 years old, working part-time or receiving income, the court might adjust the amount downward. The child's reasonable needs based on the family standard of living. This is about the family's social and financial background, not personal preference. For example, if the father earns 15,000 to 20,000 baht per month and the mother demands fees for an expensive international school, the court might find it excessive. Still, the child shouldn't be forced into substandard conditions either. It's all about balance. Can the amount be changed later on? Yes. Under Section 1598/39, if circumstances change, such as the paying parent becomes disabled or unemployed, or they get a new job with much higher income, either party can file a petition to the court to increase or decrease the support amount. How much is normally ordered in court? From real case experience, child support amounts typically range between 5,000 to 30,000 baht per month. Some foreign parents voluntarily pay 50,000 to 70,000 baht per month to ensure their child gets the best care. There's no universal rate, and each case depends on the circumstances. A tip that works well in real life: instead of fixing one flat rate for 10 or 20 years, many parents agree on a step-based plan, adjusting the amount as the child grows. In primary school, maybe 8,000 baht per month; in high school, increase to 10,000 baht in university, possibly more depending on needs. This approach keeps up with inflation and changing living costs, making it more practical and beneficial for the child. Final thoughts. Whether you're the father, mother, or a lawyer representing either party, don't treat child support cases as a battle to win or lose. The most important mindset is, focus on the best interests of the child, not the parents. Make sure the money reaches the child and truly supports their growth and well-being. It's not about taking revenge, going after wealth, or bankrupting your ex. It's about doing the right thing for your child. That's all for this episode. If you've got questions or want to know more, especially about special cases where the court may allow a lump sum payment, stay tuned for our next episode. Thanks for listening, and take care.